Right then, today's mission, Byway 30834. We're heading from Pound Lane over towards the junction of East Carrine Farm, and honestly, we're just winging it. I'm Dreckly rider, and over there is the veteran adventure bike rider on his new GS 1250 triple black. He needed a black one, I don't know why. It's a bit of an odd couple really. On one hand you got his GS, which is basically a space shuttle with heated grips and heated seats. And on the other you've got my 2003 Transalp. One of us has the technology to save us, and the other, well, I've got good intentions and a lot of optimism. We're both total learners when it comes to these lanes. We're not here to set land speed records or show off our mad skills because, let's be real, we ain't got any. We're here to make a few mistakes, hopefully keep the bikes upright and figure out how to actually ride this terrain. So if you want to see a big, shiny BMW and a classic old Honda get absolutely covered in mud while we fumble our way through the countryside, you're in the right place. Let's see if we can make it to one end in peace, shall we? Or should we say, to the end in one piece. So we are currently doing the TET itself, so we're splitting it up, and I'm just going to concentrate on videos for each one. As we're learning, also it gives us an idea of what is going on. So I'm Carl, my mate's Pete, and we have never done anything along these lines before, so this is new experience for all of us, and so far we are enjoying it. And as we go along, I'll cut up the videos that we did this day into smaller pieces so you can see each individual lane itself and where they all sit, and I'll cut out all the road bits as well. So yeah, they'll all be cut up into little bite-sized pieces, and I'll upload them so it sort of gives you an idea of what the lanes that we've done. I'll also include sort of the byway names as well, just so you can have a little search for yourself. A lot of the lanes are quite simple. My mate on his GS only had road tyres on, and I just had some Kono trail tyres on, so not the best choice of tyres in the world, but they seem to manage for the day. So I will leave the narration here and let you have a watch, have a laugh at our amazing riding skills, and maybe if I find anything interesting I'll come back in. The first mistake made was not securing the camera correctly. As you can see, it slipped down and was rubbing along the ground as he went through all the puddles and through some of the rocks. We only damaged the lens cap, so overall it wasn't too bad.
How was that? I was going to say, where's my camera? Oh shit. Fuck. Is it alright? No.